Welcome to the channel. So, as you can see, it's dark. I wanted to play around with the flashlight, so I figured what's the best. We are starting off with a little bit of metal here. Plastic, and we'll leave that in the box. And I kind of want to feel, I don't mind scrapping at night. I like scrapping at night. The problem is you just can't see near as good as you can during the day. Plus you want to be just a tad bit quieter. No, not really. I don't care. Yeah, so we're gonna go out tonight and we're gonna see what we can find. Got an okay start, but yeah, stick with me. Test out the new flashlight, see how it feels. Just a thought. Maybe take a look around here for some things. I've seen the case, I've seen the speaker box. That's actually got something in it. Cassette tapes. Any good ones? Any good ones? More toys. Guess it's just the throwaway toy season. I thought that was spring. I thought people threw stuff away around springtime, but guess I'm wrong. Floppy drives. We'll take that. We'll take that with the box. Some Jeff Gordon stuff. I mean, believe it or not, I'm in the South, but I do not watch NASCAR. I just don't have an opinion about it. You know? It's one of them things, I guess. Is there a box below it? I want that. Just a blanket, picture frame. That's it. So we do want this. Gloves don't help me here at all. Any good stuff. Looking for computer games for those that's interested. Some of the older stuff. Greetings cards, 95. Some giant floppies. We'll take them. We'll take them. Worst case, I ain't worth nothing. Worst case, I ain't worth nothing. Not taking the tapes. Been there, done that. Got a few t-shirts. Not too much of a fan. So we'll take this too. Clean up a mess, make it look a tad bit better. All right, first dig pile done. Another dig pile. I'm really intrigued, or I want to see how long the flashlight will go for too. I mean, that is a thing worth knowing. I did do a little bit of research on the whole how long to expect type deal, but I mean, everybody's response, or what the word I'm looking for, everybody doesn't get the same results, so we'll see. I think we got a pretty good dig pile here. Where to start? And the first box that comes up, that's where we're starting at. Nope. Bucket, nope. Nope. Yep. Yep. Nope. dusty. Yeah, we'll take a roller. Guess we'll just start in this one next. The one right beside the trailer. Nope. I think the light's doing okay so far. It's definitely decent. I can see. Automatic ice maker. What do you have for us? Nothing really? Nothing? It had nothing for us. What do we got down here? Got a plunger, don't want nothing to do with that. Still batting 1,000, nothing. Well, I mean, I guess we got a hair dryer and some other miscellaneous stuff. What was that? What's that? Well, that's a nothing. Move a few things over. Quick gander in this box. Somebody's little girl. Something that's broken. Definitely something that's broken. More plastic. Picture frames. Anybody need some picture frames? Yard work. Well, I mean, thoughts? Newspapers. A bunch of newspapers. No, nothing. Just do a quick look around. I gotta normally there's something in this. Well, I mean, I guess I found the paint roller and things along them lines, but you know, dividers. We'll take what we got. Well, I don't know about you, but that looks like a pretty good amount of that stuff. We got some more stuff in here too. What is all that? Hey. There's no need of you getting fussy and moving on me. Well, what are those? I don't know. They're metal. One on the back of the truck. Well, trailer. Trying to be a little bit on the quiet side. It's not super late. It's, I don't know, 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, somewhere around that range. I hadn't looked at the clock. So, trying to not make too big of a ruckus. Which is a con, I guess, to night scrapping, I guess. But come here, I want you to. Anything. That's plastic, that's metal. this back in here. We'll take a look over here real quick. Make sure we're not leaving no goodies there alone, out of the picture. No, highly doubt it. Extra linens. Oh, that's construction. Well, it's yard material. Yeah, we'll take our little nuggets and go with that. That's a lot of, I think that's pretty hard to actually take apart. It might have to be just sold like that. I'll do some research. I don't find a lot of that. I don't. That about mist. So I guess that's one of the cons about doing nighttime scrapping is, I mean, you can't see as good. It just naturally, we can't see as good. So, you know, in the dark. But we didn't let this one get away. Perfect. But okay, well, we'll take that one. Number 2 dishwasher this week. It's got the blanket on it. It's got a nice little nugget of copper. The whole package. I don't really want the wood, but we'll take it. And the police is, and ready? Hup. Perfect. Got to get my copper off sooner or later. We'll get it though. We will get it. Seen a bunch of totes, so of course we got to stop and take a look at this, right? Maybe nothing. Maybe something. Maybe something. Well, we got a Keurig over there. I mean, I didn't see that, to be honest. DLC. Nothing. Guess we'll grab the Keurig. The one thing that I think's almost a waste of money. Italians have got the coffee down pat, by the way. I tried a cup of that stuff the other day and it was good stuff. Good stuff. Maybe some computer stuff. I mean, I know it's computer stuff, but like debating on not. I want the desktop. I want the actual, like, the actual computer. The Radio Shack bag. I just realized what that was. Radio Shack is long gone to my knowledge. Long gone. Mine. What else? What else we got? I think that's gonna be it. '20th century. Okay, well, look all night. I got a mess to clean up, but we are good. So an update on a few things. So the extension ladder and the table saw and the Capelon pans and the 2 folding pans, it's in the last video. Y'all can go watch it. It's kind of funny. It wasn't by my dad's house, and I had, of course, my trailer behind me, and he's like, what are you doing with that stuff? I said, that's all scrap. And he's like, okay, can I have it? And I'm like, I don't care. So then he's like, and then he sees the pans and he's like, what are you doing with those? I said, scrap. And start off with the ladder, by the way. That I kind of missed that a little bit. And I'm like, scrap. He's like, can I have those? I'm like, I don't care. So he took those. And then the table saw came along, and you know, he said, and what you doing with that? So I'm like, I hadn't tested it, but if it doesn't work, it's scrap. So he's like, well, you want to test it? So we went and tested it, and it actually worked fine. The brushes are going out in it, so it will need some brushes at some point. But he took the 2 folding pans out of the last video, the 2 Capilon pans, the extension ladder, and the table saw. I mean, more power to him. I hope he enjoys them. I hope he gets good use out of them. And the great thing is if I ever really need it, I can just go ask for it and go and use them, right? So is it theoretically bad that, you know, he's getting the use out of it? No, I don't think so. And you know, I'd give it to him. It's anything he wants that I find on the side of the road, and if he needs it, then he can have it. It's not, you know, I love my dad to death, so it's just one of those things. And I just wanted to give an update on that stuff. It's not like it went to bad use, I guess, but to be fair, the pans were in okay shape. The folding pans, I was kind of surprised he wanted those, but I mean, a purpose for everything, question mark. So yeah, and that's kind of the story on that. Yeah, the table saw will need a new blade, but as he said, the blades aren't that expensive. And got a phone call, be back. Sorry about that. And on the phone to wife, you know, but no, like I said, like I was kind of getting at, you know, my dad, he can get whatever he gets, whatever he needs, and I'd be more than glad to give it to him. You know, you only got one parent, well, 2 parents including you only got one dad and one mom, and you know, just the way I look at it. So small potatoes, and yeah, I kind of leave it at that and see what else is out here. We done moved to a completely different side of Prattiville now, and see what's on this side. I guess it's the week of the dishwashers. I guess they decided to go out this week. I got garbage disposal, and I guess a cast iron. Oh, that's a heavy duty one. that's a good one. We'll start with the more awkward of size things first. Okay, now. That just came open. That'll work. Now this thing. Man, that's a heavy thing. Don't want to make a lot of noise. Don't want to make a lot of noise. The garbage disposal. Anything else? Oh, that'll be it. Well, good stop. The pan caught my attention, so I stopped. Been a good set of dig piles this tonight. That's always a good thing, right? Quick glance around it. I do have something over here I want to go look at while I'm parked. Maybe a Christmas tree. I don't know, it's smaller than I thought, so probably not. It's a blow up thing in Majiggy. We'll take it. Oh. in the back of the truck. Well, as you can see, we got a light. Somebody upgraded or downgraded or side graded, or somebody done something. But we will take this though. All right, yeah. Let's continue. What you think? I think it's metal enough for me, because I need it for the house. So I can go up here. I need a small desk. If y'all remember, I had one a while back. We refinished it, my wife took it, so that's mine now. So we are finishing up the last neighborhood, and not a bad night. We got what, 2 dishwashers now, and we have another one from the prior day, so that's 3 dishwashers. Now most yards, or some yards, or 90% of the yards don't take dishwashers, and I get it. My yard does, and if I can recycle that and get it out of a landfill and make a few dollars off of it, it's a win-win. It really is. And you know, one of the biggest things that I think we don't recycle enough of is plastics. So hey, more power to them. They take printers, and some printers can be actually really heavy. Vacuum cleaners, as y'all see, dishwashers, and yeah, that's the reason we pick them up, and that's the reason why I'll keep picking them up until they tell me something different. But I digress. I need y'all's opinion on the flashlight. Well, the headlamp, the seeing device that is now attached to my GoPro. It is a GoPro branded type light, so it does fit the media mods and so on and so forth. Nope, sorry. Like I said, we're finishing up the route. So, and just leave if y'all are okay with this video. The reason is because y'all have seen some videos to where I've gotten started really early, or it was ending late in the day, so on, and it was just getting too dark to do really any kind of videoing or so on. So this is just the means of ending that problem. And like I said, I was well, I might not have said it, I was gonna attach me going to the scrapyard to this video, but I really kind of just wanted to stick to the nighttime scrapping deal. So we'll go on we'll go to the scrapyard for sure in the next video. And yeah, just, you know, y'all's opinion. I really would love it on this one, and kind of see where we're at, and if this is a good end to the problem of not being able to see when it's dark, which I know y'all probably can't see right now, and I'm rambling, and you know, what can I say? I'm trying. So that being said, I do hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, you know, let me know. If you did, let me know, and maybe share it. If you're not subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. You know, hope that I earned your subscription on this particular video. If not, maybe the next one. And I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.